Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover 5 Python libraries for interpreting machine learning models, Stability AI's new LLMs, and ChatGPT launching on Android, OpenAI's CEO launching WorldCoin and Microsoft Research proposing predicting code coverage, Google DeepMind's RT2 generating adaptable robots, and the intensifying debate on U.S. regulations regarding AI chip exports to China. And finally, the Wondercraft AI-created podcast, hosted by an AI with hyper-realistic voices, and the recommendation to check out the AI Unraveled book available on Shopify, Apple, Google, and Amazon. Python libraries that interpret and explain machine learning models are incredibly valuable when it comes to gaining insights into predictions and ensuring transparency in AI applications. These libraries provide developers with the ability to understand the behavior of machine learning models and interpret their predictions, which is crucial for fairness and transparency. Luckily, Python offers a multitude of libraries that address this need. One such library is Shapley Additive Explanations, SHAP, which uses cooperative game theory to interpret machine learning models. By allocating contributions from each input feature to the final result, SHAP provides a consistent framework for analyzing feature importance and interpreting specific predictions. Another widely used library is Local Interpretable Model-Independent Explanations, LIME, which approximates complex machine learning models with interpretable local models. It achieves this by creating perturbed instances close to a given data point and tracking how these instances affect the model's predictions. LIME helps shed light on the behavior of the model for specific data points. Explain. Like I'm 5, ELI5 is a Python package that aims to provide clear justifications for machine learning models. It offers feature importance using various methodologies and supports a wide range of models, making it accessible for both new and seasoned data scientists. Yellowbrick is a powerful visualization package that offers a set of tools for interpreting machine learning models. It provides visualizations for activities such as feature importance, residual plots, and classification reports. Yellowbrick integrates seamlessly with popular machine learning libraries like scikit-learn, making it easy to analyze models during development. Lastly, PyCarray, although primarily recognized as a high-level machine learning library, also offers model interpretation capabilities. It automates the entire machine learning process and provides feature significance plots, SHAP value visualizations, and other important interpretation aids. Overall, these Python libraries play a crucial role in interpreting and explaining machine learning models, ensuring transparency and fairness in AI applications. Stability AI and Carper AI Lab have recently introduced 2 new open-access large language models, LLMs, called Free Willy 1 and its successor Free Willy 2. These models have shown incredible reasoning capabilities across various benchmarks. Free Willy 1 is based on the original Llama 65B Foundation model and has been fine-tuned using a synthetically generated dataset with supervised fine-tune, SFT, in standard alpaca format. On the other hand, Free Willy 2 utilizes the Llama 270B Foundation model and exhibits competitive performance with GPT 3.5 for specific tasks. These models serve as research experiments and have been released under a non-commercial license to foster open research. Stability AI and Carper AI Lab have evaluated the models using Eleuther AI's LM eval harness, incorporating AGVL integration. Exciting news for Android users. OpenAI has announced the upcoming release of ChatGPT for Android. The company promises users access to its latest advancements, providing an enhanced experience. The app will be available for pre-order in the Google Play Store and will be rolled out to users next week. It offers the convenience of seamless synchronization of chatbot history across multiple devices, as mentioned on the app's Play Store page, ensuring uninterrupted conversations. Meta and Qualcomm Technologies, Inc. are collaborating to optimize the execution of Meta's Llama 2 directly on device, eliminating the need for heavy reliance on cloud services. By running Gen AI models like Llama 2 on devices such as smartphones, PCs, VR/AR headsets, and vehicles, developers can reduce cloud costs and deliver private, reliable, and personalized experiences to users. Qualcomm Technologies plans to make Llama 2-based AI implementation available on Snapdragon-powered devices starting from 2024 onwards. This partnership opens up exciting possibilities for on-device AI applications. So there's a new crypto project on the scene called WorldCoin, brought to us by Sam Altman of OpenAI. This project introduces World ID, a privacy-preserving digital identity, and in places where it's allowed, a digital currency called WLD. But here's the twist. You can get this digital currency just for being human. How cool is that? To prove your humanity, you'll need to visit an orb, which is a fancy biometric verification device. These orbs scan your eyes to confirm that you're human. Apparently, Altman believes this extra step is necessary because of the growing threat of AI. And who knows? Maybe he's onto something. In other news, let's talk about code coverage prediction. Microsoft Research has come up with a benchmark task that accurately predicts code coverage. It basically measures how much code is being executed based on test cases and inputs. This can really help assess the capabilities of different language models when it comes to understanding code execution. They evaluated 4 models, GPT-4, GPT 3.5, Bard, and Claude, and it turns out that they still have a long way to go in truly understanding code execution. So, while they're impressive, there's definitely room for improvement. Now, here's something fascinating. Researchers have found a way to infuse 3D worlds into language models. You see, as powerful as these models are, they lack a connection to the physical 3D world. By introducing the 3D world into these models, they're able to perform all sorts of 3D-related tasks like captioning, question answering, navigation, and more. It's a whole new family of language models that can bring a whole new level of understanding to the table. Moving on to a slightly more concerning topic, it seems that AI chatbots could potentially become a tool for designing bioweapons. Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, is warning that without proper regulation, these chatbots could provide technical assistance for large-scale biological attacks. That's definitely something we need to address and find ways to prevent. There's also the issue of chatbots, inadvertently making sensitive and harmful information more accessible. With their access to current knowledge, they could unknowingly become a national security risk. So we'll need to be mindful of these potential dangers and put safeguards in place. And finally, the discussion around open source AI models and liability is heating up. Misuse of these models is a concern, and there are debates about how to regulate their capabilities before releasing them to the public. Liability is also a gray area in the AI community, leaving many questions unanswered. So, folks, it's an exciting time in the world of crypto, code coverage prediction, 3D-infused language models, and AI ethics. Stick around as we uncover more of the latest developments and discussions in the field. Did you hear the latest news in the tech world? Google DeepMind has developed an exciting new system called RT2 that empowers robots to perform tasks using information from the internet. Imagine robots that can adapt to human environments. This innovative system uses transformer AI models to break down actions into simpler parts, making it easier for robots to handle new situations. It's a significant improvement compared to the earlier version, RT1. However, there are still limitations. The robots can only execute physical actions that they have learned during their training. This highlights the need for further research to create fully adaptable robots. Exciting stuff! In other news, there's a debate raging about AI chip exports to China. American lawmakers are not happy with the current restrictions and are urging the Biden administration to enforce stricter controls. Companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel released modified versions of high-bandwidth processors that comply with the restrictions, causing concerns that these processors still pose a threat to U.S. interests. Amidst all this, tech executives are engaged in discussions with Washington, D.C. to understand the impact of these export controls on their businesses. The U.S. Semiconductor Industry Association is also pushing for finding common ground between the U.S. and China. It's a complex issue with a lot at stake. On a lighter note, Amazon announced an exciting AI-powered tool called AWS HealthScribe. It's designed to help doctors by automatically creating clinical documentation. Now doctors can create robust transcripts, extract key details, and create summaries from doctor-patient discussions. This could be a game changer. And finally, there are some interesting developments in the world of website design. Universe, the popular no-code mobile website builder, has launched an AI-powered website designer called Gus, Generative Universe Sites. With Gus, anyone can build and launch a custom website directly from their iOS device without the need for coding or design skills. It's making website creation accessible to a wide range of individuals. Pretty cool, right? That's it for today's AI news update. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the tech world. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. If you're on the lookout for a book that will take your knowledge of artificial intelligence to the next level, I've got just the recommendation for you. It's called AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence, written by Etienne Newman. This essential book is designed to unravel the mysteries surrounding AI and answer those burning questions that have crossed your mind. Want to know how AI actually works? Or maybe you're curious about its impact on various industries? Well, this book has got you covered. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the AI world or a seasoned enthusiast wanting to delve deeper, AI Unraveled provides insights and explanations that are easily understandable. It breaks down complex concepts into digestible nuggets of information. Now, you might be wondering where to get your hands on this treasure trove of AI knowledge. Thankfully, you have several options. You can find AI Unraveled at Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon. So grab yourself a copy and expand your understanding of AI today. Remember, the book is titled AI Unraveled by Etienne Newman. Happy reading, folks. In today's episode, we covered a range of topics including Python libraries for machine learning models, new AI launches, digital currency, AI regulations, and the impact of AI on various industries. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.